Hello, crafters. I'm sounding a little sad because we are on December 19 and the fun is about to end with the Advent Calendar. Spellbinders, you need to bring this back next year because this was a runaway winner. So many goodies, so totally worth the price point of the Advent Calendar, this fabulous box. Oh, yes. Let's talk about December 19th, where the journey is starting to take a turn towards the end. So on December 19th, my true love gave to me. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see. A stamp set. All right, crafters, so we have another fabulous stamp set. I have a post-it right here, so I'll just put it on my post-it. Look at that. We had Thinking of You December 2nd. We had the Make-A-Wish. I think that was the 13th. Now we have Congratulations December 19th. We have Congratulations, and you know what that can fit into, that labels sentiment die set. I will link it below because I can just see the sizing already. I know it's going to fit right in there. Let me pull it out and show you. Here we are, Make-A-Wish. See? That's the labels sentiment die set. Look at that. So that fits right in here. And then I'm so thrilled for you. There is so much to celebrate. You deserve this. Talk about an all year round winner. Love, love, love. Alrighty, let's look at my example. Let's get started. So here is my day 19 card. And I think I am back in the browns again. As you can tell, I think this is actually the most brown I've done on a card. Previously, light browns and some other shades of brown, but this one is like all sorts of chocolate and gold, right? Here is the stamp. Congratulations. And on the inside, I did stamp. There is so much to celebrate. This is an A2 card. So I didn't use anything else from the previous days. I was actually, again, shopping my stash. And I pulled out Create a Decorative Tag. That's in the back here. This super cute tag die set. And you can create decorative tags with these drop-ins. That's in the back here. Actually, I had this from my stash for another project that I didn't end up doing, and then I cut it out. It was a sheet of paper with some metallic splatter on it, and then I just put the die on the top and created this background. I wanted to have a place to put the standalone flowers from the sealed wildflowers from the Floral Reflection collection. And I used this one, and this. So that would be this die, the stem here with that flower on the top. These were actually floating in here when I showed this die to you guys. I think about 2 or 3 times I've shown this die. Well, I used those pieces in that deep, deep brown. And then I took some cardstock in a lighter shade of brown. It's creams brown with a touch of gold. That's where I was going. I think it turned out kind of cute, actually. What do you guys think? The only pop of color are the florals, which is still muted. So I'm enjoying exploring this style. To me, this is a simple card, but I like it. It's clean to the point. So that's sealed wildflowers. These are 4 3/4 of an inch tall. The background here, knock it out the park. You should add this to your stash. And I'm not the only person saying that. A whole bunch of people have been saying it in their videos. This one, sealed twine. Why wrestle with real twine when you can use paper twine and it's fabulous? Even though this is the Spellbinders Brush Gold cardstock. You guys know I love this cardstock. When I run the die and I curl it on the back, so you just curl it, you have this part in the front. That's supposed to be like your marker for your wax seal. And on the back, this can take 1/4 inch tape, curl it. You can put regular tape to hold it down. But the curling here, when you bend it, even with this specialty cardstock, no cracking. You see it? Look at it. That is curling around it. You could cut it straight, but there's no reason to. Only if the cardstock that you're using when you do curl is cracking and looks weird, like you can see the core of the cardstock, then you could cut it. That's a good shot of it. See how it curls underneath? No bulk. Oh, it's a fabulous die. Whoever came up with this, Spellbinders Elf, fabulous. 2 thumbs up, actually. Sealed twine. So I'm playing here with sealed twine, sealed wildflowers. These standalone dies, I'll say it again, they can just make your card making super easy, super fun, and beautiful. And I've used this over and over again. The different styles of the florals and the holiday florals. Runaway hit. This is just like a great grounding for it. Just fabulous. Instead of putting a wax seal right here, which normally I would, like on this card. Typically, I would just, pop a seal, but I had the congratulations. How do I ground it? Sentiment labels die set. Cut it out, the congratulations, then use that label, and I doubled it up. So I have brown underneath it, like a gold sparkle cardstock, and then the congratulations on top. And I think it just turned out so well. Just a simple card. This is on a cream 110-pound cardstock base, and then stamp on the inside. And the last thing I did, topped it with some gems, gold mixed gems. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. And I could have run this in an embossing folder, but I like the texture of this cardstock that I have from my stash. I have no idea what cardstock this is. I was working off of this brown and trying to find something to be a contrast, but not too far off. And this is a shade of brown I came up with. I was searching through about 10 different shades of brown cardstock. So this is my December 19th make. And until December 20th, we are now in the countdown of the Advent Calendar. Alrighty, so until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.